this is worksheet 19.7, and we're going to do 24 and 25. On 24, we're filling this table in. In a lot of these cases, you're making up any example of an expression that would be equivalent to the one that's provided. So if we look at the second row here, all of our expressions need to be equivalent to the expression log 24 plus log 9. On the left-hand column, we're going to write the completely condensed answer. 24 times 9 is 216. Power property means we're going to write our log as an exponential, so log, come up with some base and exponent that would end up working. We know that 6 cubed is 216, which would be equivalent to 3 times log 6. Quotient property, you can come up with anything that would end up working. A simple quotient would be to just take 216 times 2, so log 432. We would have to divide that by 2, which means I'm subtracting log 2. On this last row, the power property gives us 2 times log 1/3. If we take the 2 and move it to the exponent, that ends up being log 1/3 squared would be 1/9. We can also write this as a product, so log 2 numbers that multiply to 1/9, we could say 1/3 and another 1/3, because we know 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. And then quotient property, we need 2 numbers that would divide to give us 1/9. There's a lot of things you could use. One example would be to do 2/3 and then 2. Because if you do 2/3 divided by 2, that's the same as 2/3 times 1/2, which gives you 1/9. Number 25 is multiple choice, which would be the simplified form of this expression. We're going to use our properties here. This negative gets distributed to both the log 5 and the log 2. So when we condense this log, we have 60, we need to divide by 5, and we need to divide by 2. So the 2 is also going to go down here. So we end up with log 60 divided by 10 is 6. So B, log 6 would be our answer.